Roads damaged by recent heavy rains in Portland will be among the first set to benefit from the SPARK program, Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to our Road Network. Details from Krista Campbell.
Roads recently repaired and those that hadn't been rehabilitated for decades, all damaged in heavy rains over the Christmas period in Portland. On a tour of the affected areas on Thursday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said the government is taking a more proactive than reactive approach in maintaining the island's road networks. He calls it preventative maintenance.
We're going to spend the resources to build the resilience of the infrastructure to be able to withstand even a 100-year event. The highways that we have built, new roads that we have built, we have had heavy rainfalls, heavy weather events, but thankfully, none of them have reported any major or significant damage.
Now he notes the added planning and work to build and repair roads mean those projects will cost more and take longer to start and complete. But he assures the nation will be better for it. He pointed to some of the more treacherous roads he visited in Portland.
If we had to build these roads now, we wouldn't build them here. Right? We would go further inland if we had to. We would find better pathways, we would do more soil tests and build the roads where they could stand up. When we repair this roadway, bearing in mind the Rio Grande right there, the landslip that has occurred there, we may very well have to put up a wall to retain this road, which will be far more expensive than the roadway itself.
Meanwhile, the National Works Agency says work is already underway to repair the Seamans Valley Main Road, which was badly damaged after a tributary overflowed its banks.
There's actually a contract in place as we speak for $9 million to do cleaning in this space. We have requested $20 million, so we have gotten 9, and we hope to get the other 11 soon thereafter.
He says river training work will also be done in the area. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.
Is it